welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne, and he says that we should treat people how we want to be treated. Now, this is true because we would be setting a standard, letting people know how we want to be treated. So go ahead and watch the video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. One love.
Sharing is caring. Treat people how you want to be treated. Don't use people's past and judge them. And clearly, this is where a lot of us as Jamaicans, we go wrong. We use people's past to judge people. And it's like how put myself in that category. Like, listen, I've been judged left, right, center. Listen, treat people how you want to be treated. Karen, calm me. Listen, I want you guys to let's just talk some positive things today about our home country and, encourage each other. Encouragement sweetens labor. We not have to get up every day. We don't have to get up every day and tear down people and cuss people. Listen, this is what I said the other day. We as Jamaicans, we need to go back to our roots. A lot of us have forgotten our way. A lot of us have forgotten our way. Is that a lot of us have turned away from God. Like I remember as a kid, I used to go to church every Sunday, come hell or high house. Like rain, sun, fall, whatever. I'm going to church. Now you go to the island now. They don't care about church no more. They don't care. So what's happened? What has happened to our little island? I feel we need to go back to our roots and instill these values in the younger ones coming up. A lot of them don't know the way. So we have to show them the way. We have to show them. Each one teach one. Each one teach one. I don't know why you guys are not calling it. Am I scary? Am I scaring you people? I don't know. I'm asking one simple question. What do you appreciate about Jamaica? What don't you appreciate? And if you was on the island, what would you do to change it? The lives just keep decreasing, and it's like you people don't want to partake. I don't know why. Sometimes I feel coming on this live, it's like I'm just wasting my damn time. But I'm never going to give up because I'm waiting for the right people. Yes, people still attend church, but not to the majority to how they used to back in the day, Tashi. Not to the... Listen, I've seen with my own two eyes. I've seen my own two eyes. When I was in Jamaica recently, usually when we was young children, all of the ones who I grew up with, every Sunday we're going to church. I know during the summer, we used to attend something called DVBS. I don't see them doing that in Jamaica now. I don't see them doing it no more. I don't. I'm speaking from what I'm seeing, and it is what it is. We all are going to have different opinions. So, to each his or her own. Myself, I'm not taking it back. People need to go back to their roots. Tashi, when last did you attend church? When last you went to church? Exactly, Sharon. Children are the future. They really are. Listen, I can't have this live by myself. I wanted you guys to interact and call in and just say your piece on Jamaica, but clearly you people have other ideas. You see, you can't answer the damn question. You can't answer it. You can't answer it. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I stepped to your. I'm sorry I stepped to your toe. I'm sorry I stepped to your toe. Hello.
Hi, Dwayne.
Hello.
I'm late. I just came on the line.
That's fine. We're here celebrating Jamaica's 60th independence. So I'm asking people to tell me what them love about Jamaica, what them don't like, and what will they change. So, what's your thoughts?
Well, being a Jamaican, although I'm not living there right now, there are so much memories, good memories about Jamaica. And I think we should use the good memories to cover the negative that are going on now. Because it's not all bad. Most of it is the economy. You know, things become so expensive. It's hard for people to survive and so on. And the crime rate. If I have a chance, to change something in Jamaica, the two things I would love to change is the corruption, the crime, the high rate of the crime that is going on in the country, and the economy. You know, the way people are struggling, the money that they're working is not enough, everything is so expensive. People are living above beneath where normal people is supposed to live, most of them, especially in the rural area, you know? So if I had the chance to choose to change anything, those are the two things, the two main things that I would choose to change.
And what do you love about Jamaica? Tell me about one of your childhood memories growing up in Jamaica.
Well, growing up as a child in Jamaica, things were a bit different from now. You know, we could socialize more with people because people wasn't scared as they are now. You know, people are afraid to go out. We will go. You know, when we were young and we were growing up, then we could go out at night, socialize with our friends, and so in most of the area now, especially the rural area, people are afraid now